Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about histogram in Matplotlib library in Python programming. Histogram is one type of chart that is available in PyPlot module in Matplotlib library. Histogram is a graph showing the number of observations within each given interval. Whatever the intervals that we are given within each interval, how many number of observations that are present that can be shown by a graph. That graph is called as histogram. Okay. Histogram is a graphical representation that organizes a group of data points into a specified range. Histogram shows the visual representation of data distribution. That means the data can be distributed into several number of intervals. Within each interval, how many number of observations that are present. For that purpose, we have to use histogram. Okay. So this diagram shows a histogram drawn between x-axis and y-axis. On the y-axis 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is there. On the x-axis 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190 and 200. So these are the points on the x-axis. Okay. So suppose I am taking 140 to 150 interval. Within this interval, how many number of observations that are present? 150 to 160 interval, how many number of observations that are present? 160 to 170, how many number of observations that are present within this interval? 170 to 180, within this interval, how many number of observations that are present? 180 to 190 interval, how many number of observations that are present? 190 to 200, how many number of observations that are present? That can be shown by using a diagram called histogram. To draw the histogram, we have to use a function called hist function, H-I-S-T, hist function. By using that hist function, we can draw the histogram. Hist function is available in the PyPlot module. PyPlot module is available in the Matplotlib library. So, to import the hist function, we have to use the following statement. So, import matplotlib.pyplot.hist function. By using that statement, we have to import the hist function available in the PyPlot module of the Matplotlib library. To draw the histogram, first we have to import PyPlot module in Matplotlib library. So import matplotlib.pyplot. Now we have to execute this line. Yes, we are importing the PyPlot module in Matplotlib library. PyPlot module is used for plotting the charts such as line chart, bar chart, histogram, scatter plot, so etc. So by using that PyPlot module, we have to draw the plots. For that purpose, we have to import the PyPlot module in Matplotlib library. Next one, we are providing the alternative name for matplotlib.pyplot. The, what is the purpose of providing alternative name for matplotlib.pyplot? Whenever matplotlib.pyplot is required, simply we have to write the alternative name instead of matplotlib.pyplot. So for that purpose, we have to use this statement: import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. PLT is the alternative name for matplotlib.pyplot. Okay, whenever this name is required, instead of using this name, simply we have to use PLT, because PLT is the alternative name for matplotlib.pyplot. Okay, so now we have to write this line again: matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Now, next I am taking the marks of 10 students. Okay, in marks array, marks is equal to, within the square bracket, I am giving the values as 85, 77, 98 and 67 and 55 and 32 and 45 and 87, 76 and 65. So these are the marks of 10 students. Okay, these marks of 10 students can be divided into some intervals. That intervals are called as bins. Intervals is equal to, within the square bracket I am giving 0 comma 35 comma 60 comma 70 comma 100. So these are the intervals I am given. Within each interval, how many number of student marks are there, that can be shown by using a diagram called as histogram. Okay. To draw the histogram, we have to use a function called hist function. So plt dot hist function. Hist function can take the parameters are, first one is marks parameter and second one is interval parameter. After that, we have to display the histogram by using a function called plt.show. Okay, now we have to execute this code. Some error is there. What is the error here? Interval is not defined. So here I am giving intervals, so that we are giving intervals. So now we have to execute this code. So see this code. So here so 0 to 40, 0 to 40, one student is available. Okay, 40 to 60, two students available. 60 to 80, 2 student available, 80 to 90, 5 student available. Here, whatever the interval we are given, that intervals are not shown here. For that purpose, I am using xticks function. Okay, so plt dot xticks, here I am giving the values as 0, 35, 60, 70, 100. So whatever the values we are given, that values are displayed on the x-axis by using xticks function. Okay, now we have to execute this code. So see this one. So 0, 35, 60, 70, 100. So 0 to 35. How many members are there? Only one member. So see the marks. 0 to 35. How many students got 0 to 35 within the range? Only one student got 32 marks, that is present within the range 0 to 35. Next one, 35 to 60. 35 to 60, how many number of students are there? Only two students are there. 35 to 60. One student got 45 marks and another student got 55 marks. Okay, two students are available within the range 35 to 60. Next one, 60 to 70. How many members are there? 60 to 70. So 67 is, one student got 67 marks and another student got 65 marks. So 60 to 70, only two students got. Next one, 70 to 100. How many number of students got? So that is 85 is, one student got 85, another student got 77, another student got 98, and another student got 87, and another student got 76. Total 5 students got the marks within the range 70 to 100. So now I am changing one student marks slightly, that is here 87. I am changing one student 88. So click on this. Now see this one, 60 to 70, only one student got the marks within the range 60 to 70, that is a 67. Okay, so in this way we have to draw the histogram that showing the number of observations within each interval. Within each interval, how many number of observations that are present, that can be shown by using a diagram called histogram. To draw the histogram, we have to use a function called hist function. Okay. Now we have to change the default color is blue. Now we have to change the color also. Here I am changing color is equal to, within the double quotes we have to use a red. Okay, so these bars colors can be changed. Okay, so click on this button. Please see this one. Histogram is shown in red color. Okay, now we have to provide the title and the labels for this histogram. Okay, now we are giving the title plt dot title. The title is student grade chart. Student Marks analysis, simple. Student marks analysis chart. Next one. Here I am giving the label for x-axis. PLT dot x label. PLT dot x label. On the x-axis only marks intervals are there. Marks intervals. Next, on the y-axis we are providing the label for y-axis as y label. Y label is number of students. Number of students. Now we have to execute this code. See this one. On the x-axis, marks intervals are there. On the y-axis, number of students is there. On the title of this chart is Student Marks Analysis Chart. Okay. Now we are providing the edge label. This is edge color. This is edge. We are providing the color for this edge also. Okay. For that one, I am using a parameter called edge color. Edge color is equal to, I am giving block. Only for this bar, this is the edge. Okay. This edge can be represented with block color. Okay. And this edge also, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Okay, edges can be represented with block color by using a parameter called edge color. Click on this code. So see this one. So this is one edge. This edge can be represented by using this color. Now we can show 0 to 35 is one interval, 35 to 60 is another interval, 60 to 70 is another interval, 70 to 100 is another interval. Okay, that intervals can be shown separately by using the edge color. Edge color is equal to block. Okay, next one. Suppose this histogram can be shown by using bars. So for that purpose, I am copy this code, Control C, Control V. Here I am using one more parameter. That parameter is called as hist type. Hist type is equal to, within the double quotes we are giving bar. And color can also be called as face color. Face color is equal to, I am giving orange. Face color or color, both are same. There is no problem at all. Hist type is equal to bar. Okay. Now how this diagram can be changed by executing this code. So see this one. So this is called as this one. Hist type is equal to bar. The above code can be changed by using another parameter called hist type is equal to bar. Okay. Next one is width of this bar can also be changed. Okay. Here I am using one parameter called R width. R width is nothing but width of the each bar. So I am giving 0.7. Okay, now we are executing this code. So see this one, width of the bar can be changed by using 0.7. Okay, the above chart can be changed by using a parameter called R width is equal to 0.7 and face color is equal to orange, hist type is equal to bar. Okay, next, another hist type is nothing but step. Okay, now we are copy this code, Control C, Control V. Here I am changing only hist type is equal to step. Hist type is equal to step. Now we have to execute this code. So see this one. So whenever hist type is equal to step, we are entered, the above chart can be changed. Okay. Here the color is not mentioned. Whenever hist type is equal to step, there is no use at all. Face color, there is no use at all. Okay, and R width is also not used. Only edge color is used. Now we have to execute this code. Okay, whenever hist type is equal to step, so this is the output. Okay, next one is step filled. Another hist type is step filled. We have to copy this code and we have to paste this code. Hist type is equal to step filled. Now we have to execute this code. So see this one, this is the step filled. Okay, edge color is equal to black. Okay, so these are the three types of the hist function. Okay, one is a bar, hist type is equal to bar, and another one is hist type is equal to step, and another one is hist type is equal to step filled. Okay, so this is the simple description of the histogram chart of PyPlot module in Matplotlib library. Here hist function can take several number of parameters. So one is on which data we have to draw the histogram. That data is the first parameter. On the marks data we have to draw the histogram, so that we have to put marks here. Next one is how many number of bins are required. Bins are nothing but intervals. Okay, here I am giving the intervals here, so that second parameter is bins. First parameter is on which data we are drawing the histogram. Next, how many number of intervals are required. Third parameter is hist type, and fourth parameter is edge color, and fifth parameter is face color, and sixth parameter is R width, and seventh parameter is edge color. Okay, these are the parameters that can be given to the hist function to draw the histogram by using the marks data and intervals data. We are drawing the histogram chart. Okay, so thank you. In this way we have to draw the histogram. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like my session or video, please forward this video to your friends and classmates. If you really like my session, please click on the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel, Divvela Srinivasa Rao. After subscribing my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon to get the future updates in my YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts. Thank you one and all for watching this video. In the previous sessions, we are already told scatter plot, pie chart, line chart. So please refer the previous videos for better understanding. Thank you one and all for watching this video.